It is time to take our head swap to the final step. I want you to take one of your head swaps and I want you to make it a bogus Instagram post. This is what the finished product is going to look like. So I took my Pete Townsend Baby Yoda thing and I put it in a blank Instagram template. Let me show you what I've added. Up at the top, there is a circle. I want us to put some kind of avatar there. And don't think that you have to go make a circular avatar for whoever it is. If you want to web search for like clip art, anything that's round, if you want to put like a baseball or a basketball up there, or just anything that fits in a circle, Google search the images and find one that fits your character. Mine is easy. All I did was look up the Jedi logo, which happens to be round. I found a transparent version of that graphic. I loaded it in, I moved it. I found a font that worked right here. I have a username, so I made a cheesy joke out of the character's name. Grogu betcha he's going to play guitar real good. And then I did space dash space. Then I did the word follow. I highlighted follow. I clicked up on the black. I changed the color to blue to follow the format that we're looking at. Then this little thing where it shows all the likes, that's on my website. Steal it, put it in there, size it. And then underneath, I used the same font, which was what? Rounded MT bold, went down to the bottom, used the same font, rounded MT bold for the username again, and then I added a cheesy caption. For the caption, I switched the font to Arial because this is bold. I want the caption to not be bold. I want to see the difference between the two. So what are the two fonts we should be using? Rounded MT bold for the username, yeah? And then for the caption, I went with Arial. Notice I capitalized the first letter. Do you have to capitalize the first letter? Yeah. And also notice, this is a punchy phrase. Friday night at the club. You have this much space. I do not want your sentence to go on to the second line. So come up with something short and punchy, and we gonna make it work. Here's how we do it, step by step. Head to the LMS. You were looking for the post called Templates for Instagram Head Swap. We want to download two files that I've got on the website for you. The first one is this blank Instagram post. Right click on the inside, save image as, let's call it blank IG. We want to save it as a PNG, sounds good. Save it to the desktop. Underneath it, we have the likes. Right click on that. It's blurry, but this is the best one I could find. And when we make it small, it'll work. Save image as, how about IG likes? Yeah, capitalize IG and then the L, so do that. So then I've got both saved. What happens next? I go to Photoshop, open. Where am I going to go? I'm going to my desktop. I want to open blank IG. If I double click, boom, it opens it up. Immediately, Control 0, make it big. File, open. What do I call it? IG likes? Yeah. So now I have two layers. I needed to export one of my head swaps, which I have done as well. So it's file, open, and I called it Yoda Pete. That's right. So now I've got three things going on. I have the blank Instagram, I have the likes, and I have my photo. Now remember, to move things from one layer to another, in this case, I'm moving the whole picture. So I'm going to click on my arrows. See the arrows? Drag it up. Go to my blank Instagram without letting go, bring it down, then let it go. Guess what? Yeah, this thing's going to be super huge. So I have to scroll around and find a corner, because what I'm going to do, oh, it won't work. Control T. Now I have my bar. I can shrink it. I can move it. I'm going to make this Baby Yoda picture fit in the gray part of this frame. Let's see how long it takes me to do it. Now, since it's a different proportion, I'm not going to be able to show the whole thing, but I want to give you the basics of it. Yeah, and I want to show his hand like on the guitar, like that. So I have to make mine fit however it works. I like this. I like the way it works. Notice that the top of the picture covers up that grayish line, and the bottom of my picture covers up that same grayish line, so it looks like the picture is in the frame. Sweet. What else can we do?